How much do you think it costs to create each of these ads? Not only is this ad free, but it took me maybe 10 minutes to make because it's completely AI generated, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it too. These 3 AI hacks are gonna completely change the way you create content, whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, a social media manager, or just an AI enthusiast. You need to know these 3 hacks to save you so much time and completely transform your content. Let's get started. First, we're gonna go over how to create AI product shots. You're gonna need 2 photos. One needs to be a well-lit photo of your product, and the next can be an inspiration pic. This one I just found on Pinterest. All right, now we're gonna head into Sora and we're gonna type the prompt, please replace the drink in this photo with the perfume I uploaded. You can swap out the word drink for product or whatever it is depending on your reference photo. All right, this second line I added because I really want the shot to look like a luxury beauty campaign that Valentina would post. If you don't have a specific look you're going for, you can just stick with the first line, which is this right here. Now we're gonna go in and add my photos, and then we're just gonna go and hit remix. This is what I got on the first try, which I would say is pretty good for a first-time generation. You can always go in and edit the prompt to add certain elements and really get the photo just exactly how you want it. I tried this a few more times with some different reference photos, and each time I was pretty impressed with the end result that I ended up getting. Lots of people want to make social media content, but let's be honest, filming is a lot of work. What if I told you both of the people in these videos were AI avatars? Here's how to make your own. I'm going to create an AI avatar of my boss so I don't have to consistently be bothering him for social media content. So we're going to go to HeyGen and we're going to go to create your own avatar. It's going to walk you through a couple different steps. You could choose between a still or a motion avatar. Motion is usually maybe the person's walking in the video. My boss is just standing for this, so we're going to use still. Output of the avatar really depends on the input footage you give it. So make sure you have 2 to 4 minutes of good, high quality video, consistently making eye contact with the camera, and in a well-lit room. Once you have that, you could go ahead and upload that footage here. Now that I have the footage of my boss uploaded, next it's going to take me to a consent screen actually. So HeyGen takes their safety very seriously, so you actually can't make an avatar of someone who isn't you. You have to upload a consent footage, so in this case, I actually had to go and have my boss do this. Once I got that consent footage from my boss, we got the avatar, and here's how you make a video with it. You're going to go in and then type a script. I'm just going to do a quick sample here, and then you're going to go ahead and hit generate. Title your video whatever you want, and then hit submit. And here's our final result.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to announce our newest product.
Hack number 3. Have you ever wondered why so many big brands and YouTubers have multiple channels in multiple languages? Well, it's because not all of your audience speaks one language. If you want to reach the maximum amount of people, you have to translate your content, and it is so easy with AI. What used to take weeks to do with translators and a ton of money now takes seconds. Here's how to do it. Once again, you're going to go to HeyGen and we're going to go over to translate a video. For this, you can upload a video or you could use a video URL, so paste anything from YouTube, Google Drive. In this case, we're going to upload a video. All right, as you can see, you could select your original language and there are so many options to choose from. This was in English, so let me select English United States, and then you can choose from over 75 different languages you want it translated to. So for this one, let's go with French. And then submit for translation. Here's our final result.
Want your own AI influencer? Here's how to build one in under 60 seconds. Vous voulez votre propre influenceur IA? Voici comment en créer un en moins.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe down below and also check out HeyGen at the link in the description.